Hey, hi. In this video, we are going to know how to set up a welcome message for your Facebook Messenger chatbot. So, the welcome message is the first thing your users see it when they come to your Facebook page, click on send message button, and then they click on this get started button. So originally it is already set up by default of default welcome message for your page when you connect it to the Botosynthesis.ai platform, right? So as you can see, we already edited it, and this is the welcome message for our page. How to do it? Go to the your dashboard. On the left side you can see a flow. Click on the add option here. Here go to the name it as a welcome message. So right now I'm giving it a welcome message hyphen new, right? Within a below you are able to see this blog here. Click on the next and say hello, I am Bruno from Photosynthesis. How can I help you, right? And you can also put out the button if you like to do, and if you don't want, you can just tell them how can I help you, and they can put their query there. Just don't forget to select a messenger. Then it is done. Put on the publish. You can create a very big flow as well, so that there is no issue. Go to the flows again. Go to the settings, and then go to the channel. Go to the Facebook Messenger, and here select your new welcome message. So here, as you can see, my previous welcome message already selected. If I select this one, it will work. Then click on the save button. If I go here, let me delete it. Click on the send message button again. Click on the get started button, and here, as you can see, I got the welcome message. So that how you can set up the welcome message. Thank you.